Okay, I'm going to jump off the bus right here. This is what I came to see. That church you see right across the street there, that is Liverpool Cathedral. Let's walk over there to it and get a better look. As we get up a little closer here, you can see how large the structure is. It's 207 yards long, which makes this the longest cathedral in the world. As far as overall size, I think it's the 5th largest cathedral worldwide. The height on this thing at its tallest point is 331 feet, I believe. It doesn't have a spire. It's got a tower you can see on the other side. Let's go in and take a look at this. Now, this church was designed by a man named Giles Gilbert Scott. He was quite a remarkable architect. He did quite a lot of things during his lifetime. This one started construction in 1904 and didn't finish until around 1978. So it was 74 years in construction on this. This was actually Scott's very first major project. Before this, he had stated he had only designed a pipe rack. He was 22 years old when he was selected as the winner of the competition for the design for this church. He went on later to design quite a few other things. Scott is also credited for several other items, one of which is Battersea Power Station, which if you check out in London at this moment, it's being refurbished. It's no longer a power station, but it's being kept for its architectural uniqueness, and it's been turned into a nice shopping center and some apartments. He also did Cambridge University Library, and he is the guy who designed the red telephone boxes in London. Now, even though this was the first work of Scott, he never got to see this building completed. It was started when he was a young man, but he died in 1960, and the building wasn't completed until 1978. So he never got to see the full building in its finished state as it is today. And if I haven't mentioned before, this is an Anglican church. This is here in Liverpool. Here's a view looking towards the front. Now the height from floor to ceiling in this area is 120 feet, I believe. The tower outside is 331 feet tall. But from the inside perspective, under the tower vault, it's 175 feet tall. Quite a massive structure. Here's another look on the inside, different side of the building. It's well lit over here. You can really get a good appreciation for the architecture. Now, Liverpool has 2 cathedrals. This one, Liverpool Cathedral, an Anglican church, and right down the street is a Catholic cathedral. Both of these are located on Hope Street. So if you can find one, it's really easy to find the other one. All right, just on the outside of the cathedral, if you go down this ramp here, you'll notice the tombstones that line the walls. This was a quarry until about 1825, and this area is now a cemetery at the very bottom, kind of like a public park space as well. It should be noted that this is not actually part of the cathedral. Anyway, the cathedral is Anglican, and most of the folks outside buried here are not Anglican. So mixture of denominations outside. Now, looking back over this direction, you can kind of see the shape of the quarry. If you look close at the stone walls, you can see the tool marks from where the stone was chiseled away over the years. Nice layout down here. It's been made into like a park area. I believe the cemetery predates the church by a number of years. But anyway, this has been a quick look at Liverpool Cathedral and St. James Cemetery.